In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily export your iPhone contacts to Google account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and the first step, we need to open up Phone app, then head over to Contacts, and then tap right here where it says Lists, and it will show you kind of filter options where we can easily filter our contacts by all contacts, all Gmail, and all iCloud. In here, if you would like to export contacts from the iCloud to your Google account, we need to long press right here where it says all iCloud, and then select Export. After that, select the information you would like to export. We can select and deselect any data here. You can easily tap at Select All Fields to select all of these parameters. And once it is done, tap at Done. After that, scroll down and select Save to Files. I'm gonna save it on my iPhone. In here we can also rename the file, and then to save it, all we have to do is just tap at Save. We have just exported all the iCloud contacts to the file on our device. Now we need to head over to a web browser. I'm gonna use Safari. And then go to contacts.google.com. Then make sure you are signed into your Google account, and it will show you your current Google contacts. Then to add new contacts, tap right here at that plus. It is in Russian, but I'm going to translate you. We need to select the second option, which is called Import Several Contacts. Then tap at that link. In English, it will be Import Contacts. And then tap at that blue button which says Open File. That will open up the files on your device. Here at Recents, we can easily find the file we have just created. However, also we can find it if we hit at Browse. And then if we go to On My iPhone, if you remember, I have saved these files here, and that's where we can easily find it. So I'm gonna select it. And then all we have to do is just tap right here where it says Import. All the contacts now is being imported. We need just to wait until this process to complete, and after a while it says done. So all the contacts was successfully imported to my Gmail account. Now if we head over to the main page, and then if we tap right here, it says that I got over the 300 contacts, which means that all the contacts was successfully imported. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.